Well, hi there. It's your old pal Skippysimon. I am still um getting bits of the butter toffee cashew out of my teeth because that's the review I just did. And mind you, go get them. They're fucking delicious. Oh my god, they're so good. I got them at Business Costco. I don't know if they have them at the regular Costco, but if they do, I highly recommend them. They are absolutely tremendous. Butter toffee cashews. But that's not what this is about. I'm here to do my crack addiction. This stuff right here, I haven't touched it in weeks. Okay. I do this thing where I overdose on shit. I get bored with it. I get burnout. Okay. That's what happened with Nerds Gummy Clusters. I was winning them at Dave and Buster's. They were $500 a box. That was pocket change for a winner like me. So I was constantly eating tons of Nerds Gummy Clusters. Then they were on sale at the Ralph's supermarkets for $1.27 a box, and I just stocked up. And then I just got kind of burnt out on them. But my buddy, he works at Amazon, and he happened to procure me some Nerds Gummy Clusters. These are the Valentine's Day edition. As you can see, it says Valentine. It's my mom's birthday. Ha! Actually, while I'm recording this, it may or may not be my birthday. I'm not going to tell anybody. It's none of your goddamn business. But yeah, my parents had sex at one point, and then like I showed up. That's just how life works sometimes. But anyway, I got these Nerds Gummy Clusters from a buddy of mine. He gave them to me as a gift, and now I'm going to try them because I love sweets. Oh god. Oh, just ripping it open. My god. Oh my god. Like, what are these? Are they supposed to have like a certain flavor? Valentine Nerds, Fruity Gummy Centers. Naturally and artificially flavored, which means artificially flavored. Oh my god, it smells like there was this old candy called Cream Savers that Lifesavers used to put out, and they used to make a strawberry cream saver, and I swear to God, it was like the most amazing freaking. Why am I putting it to the microphone like you can hear it? Hold on. Happy VDs or Valentine's Day Nerd Gummy Clusters. Like I said, it smells like a cream saver, but let's try it. Hmm. They're good. Hmm. The flavors, like, it doesn't, like, the regular ones, the red bag and blue bag, they straight up have a powerful flavor. These ones are sour and sweet, but more subtle. I guess that's cause they for Valentine's Day. But am I gonna bitch? Fuck no, I got gummy clusters, motherfucker. Look at these motherfuckers. Look at that. Mm-hmm. I like to suck off all of the nerds down to the gummy nugget. That's it. That's the nugget. It tastes okay by itself, but these little nerds, they really throwing that extra punch. They taste. So I hate about artificial flavors. It's hard to, like, it's like a cherry or a strawberry. You just can't quite tell. See, that one tasted more cherry. Mm, I might be going more cherry now. Who's to say? I just remember when I was in grade school when Nerds came out in the 80s. Mm, they were the greatest thing on earth. 2 flavors in every pack. Mm. Once I had cherry, once I had grape. Oh my god. I miss them days. I miss scratch and sniff stickers. My friend, she still has hers from grade school. She has a whole album of them. They still smell good. It's amazing how, like, trends come and go, circulate. It's also neat to see trends evolve. Like, when I was growing up, skateboarding was a crime. Now it's an Olympic sport. Breakdancing was an Olympic sport. Then some stupid chick from Australia fucked that up. I don't know, maybe. Should it be a sport? I don't know. To me, all a sport is a monetized recreation. All right. I have to put these down. Man. Oh, crap. I just remembered. I got a dentist appointment on Wednesday. I don't care. My teeth are good. I floss. Like, I'm going in for a cleaning, but I have no tartar buildup, no calculus buildup. Like, just on these teeth right here, I have like a little teeny bit. But the thing is, they're the dentists. They're gonna find shit I can't see. I actually love going to the dentist. You're never gonna hear a lot of adult people say that, but I love going to the dentist. Why, you say? because I love knowing the fact that my choppers are healthy. You know, because for years I didn't realize just how horribly my mouth was being neglected by yours truly. But now I understand. I brush and I floss and use mouthwash, and I do what's called oil pulling sometimes, which is where you use coconut oil and you rinse with coconut oil in your mouth, like you swish it around for 20 minutes, and it kills off the bad bacteria that's living in the spaces in between your gum and your teeth, because that's my problem that I have. I am combating some gum disease problems, and I'm doing everything in my power to remedy that, because I like my teeth. I'm never doing meth. These teeth are staying right here, bro. All right. These are delicious as always. I mean, whether they taste red or blue, I'm going to eat them. 1, 2. They're so good. All right. I love you, nerds. And thank you to my buddy who gave them to me. All right. I'll talk to you guys later. Stay awesome. Bye.